Hey, how y'all doing today? I know I don't sound bubbly like I normally do. Just got draining stuff going on. That's all. That's all. That's it. Y'all know how it be. Here it is. I got this jalapeno sauce. And I made some chicken and noodles today. And I got me a boiled egg that I put up in there. And I got my garlic bread. I'm drinking some Dr. K today. So I don't know if y'all gonna get any belches out of me today. Cause I'm feeling tired today. Just mentally drained. Y'all know how that is. Certain things, that be going on in your life could mentally drain you. It ain't per se you. It be other people's. They call them pour down spirits. They can pull on you. No. Everybody has to get happy with themselves. If people's not happy with themselves, they just, I don't know. That's my girlfriend calling. Y'all hear the phone ringing. Sorry about that. Put my boiled egg up here. Y'all should try it. Tastes good. It tastes delicious. Yes, in your chicken and noodles. I didn't even take the time to take the bones out today. Normally I do, but I didn't feel like it today. And like I said, it's just one of them days. I hope y'all having a wonderful day today. It's gonna pop, lock, and drop. Y'all know y'all make me happy with y'all comments. A lot of you all is who gets me through the day. Yes, you do. Y'all subscribe. Put a boiled egg in your chicken and noodles. Y'all probably gonna start calling me the chicken lady. Yeah, I love me some chicken. We can do everything with chicken. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hold on, man, this is not even hot. The jalapeno is good. Y'all should try it. Brings more flavor to your food. It's good. It's just good, 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 good. Y'all get a little burps today. Little burps. Mm. I eat like I'm in a race. And I am not in the race to eat. I told y'all gotta encourage me to slow it down. I be eating so fast. Mm. What's this? This is chicken thigh. That's why I use this thing. Steaming with some onion and season it real good. With the lemon pepper, the garlic pepper, some chicken Weber seasoning. Then I made a little gravy in it. Put a little butter in there. While you got it's done, You take a cup of flour water, pour it over in there, stir it up, put a little bit more seasoning in there, and voila. Let it simmer down. Look at that. Look at that. I boil my noodles separate. I'm gonna pour my noodles on over in there. Because of that. Don't they look good? Look at that. Well, I'm talking about what you gonna do. What you gonna do when they come for you? Oh boy. I was looking at them homes that's in Las Vegas. They got some beautiful homes. One real nice one, you spend about $260. I don't know how it is, but hopefully next month I'll be visiting Las Vegas. And I'm going to make sure that I videotape. My mama was supposed to let me know. She said, I'm going to surprise you. She said, you've been screaming Las Vegas, Las Vegas. Oh, I said that would be great. I need it. You know, you get tired of the same routine day in, day out, day in, day out. Normally when I cook my chicken and noodles, I take all the bones out. Like I said, I just didn't feel like it today. It was just one of them days. Man, this is good. I should put a little bit more of this on there. This is fine. Y'all got to try this jalapeno sauce. Y'all gotta try it. I'm telling y'all. It is good. Look at it again. There we go. Jalapeno pepper sauce. Y'all have to try it. Now that habanero sauce, that sauce is too darn hot. And the cayenne is a little bit, but that habanero is hot. But this jalapeno sauce, it's good as hell. It's the good. I always dip my bread. I got to eat some bread. I already told y'all about this bread. This is Italian bread. If y'all don't know, in Walmart. It's the loaf bread. For $1. Y'all remember. And they got the garlic spread. Right there, all together. Right by the deli and the vegetables. I'm quite sure all Walmarts is basically the same. But let it out. That's when I get through eating. Because you see I'm eating early today. I'm going to sit up. I'm going to work. I'm going to relax. Get me some sleep. I'm going to take the time out. Now, let me know if this is a good idea. I always figure this and write down where I want to be at next year around this time. My goal. I'm going to sit down and write down 5 things that I need to do. Because you know, as you get older, you start overviewing your life. Everything. And if you got the same thing going on year after year, and it's not making you happy, and you doing things in a certain way, I'm telling you, you have to let go. Because happiness comes within you. People don't make you happy. You gotta make yourself happy. Circumstances and issues that you go through in life, it only makes you stronger. People always say, oh, I'm not happy with this person. I'm not happy. But you gotta be happy with yourself. If you ain't happy with yourself, and how can somebody else make you happy? People look for other people to make you happy. It's not going to happen. You have to make yourself happy. You got to do the things in life that you want to do. Set goals. Because time waits on nobody. And in life, we choose our own destinations. And we choose where we're going to go. Oh, wow. And we choose our destinations. Y'all remember that. When you're 6 feet in the ground, you take none of this material stuff with you. All you take with you, I don't know if you take your memories. I don't even know if you take that. But I know you leave behind your memories. So while you're here, you make good memories with the people that love you and you love them. And they appreciate you. And for people that don't appreciate you, you have to eliminate them. Because if you don't, you're going to be sitting there wondering, what the hell am I doing? Why am I doing this? What's going on with me? That I'm allowing things to come into my life. And it's not beneficiary to me. And like I said, when people is not happy with themselves, they cannot make you happy. So, till next time, y'all know I'm on there under 15 minutes. I love y'all, and I'll be coming back to y'all. I might just make a part 2. See you later. I love you all. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And be blessed. And stay positive.